For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The White House advisor and scientist Dr. Anthony Fauci says US is facing a serious problem over coronavirus pandemic. Dr. Fauci captioned young people over the spread of virus. He said it is the societal responsibility to end the outbreak. COVID-19 cases continue to wreak havoc in the United States as fresh cases surge. The US reported an all-time daily high of 40,000 new coronavirus infection on Thursday. The coronavirus has claimed more than 125,000 lives in the country. Three people killed in a clash with police over face masks in Kenya. The clash took place between policemen and local residents in Kenya's Rift Valley over wearing of face masks to contain COVID-19. Human rights activists blame police high-handedness for violence. Russian President Vladimir Putin and French President Emmanuel Macron discussed cooperation to tackle coronavirus pandemic in a video call. Both leaders also discussed current international crisis. Putin and Macron vowed to work closely to tackle common challenges. A Turkish court sentenced 121 people to life term for attempting to overthrow President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in 2016. A total of 245 suspects faced trial in the Ankara court. While 86 people got aggravated life term, 35 others were given milder life sentence for the same crime. ASEAN countries have raised concern over China's aggressive position in the South China Sea. Vietnam and Philippines warned of insecurity in the region at a regional summit. China has been increasing its activities in the South China Sea. Mexico City security officer injured and 3 others killed in a shooting incident in Mexico City. The Jalisco Nueva Generation drug cartel said to have committed the crime. Security officer Omar Gracia Harfuch is recovering in the hospital. Facebook to label violating post of politician. CEO Mark Zuckerberg had earlier refused to take action against Trump's controversial posting. Facebook takes the decision following pressure from all quarters. US Vice President Mike Pence has defended President Donald Trump's rallies despite growing number of COVID-19 cases in the US. He said the freedom of speech and right to peaceful assembly cannot be denied. Trump has been facing criticism over his rallies.